Hello, welcome to yet another episode of The Sky This Week. This week, in the evening sky, you can see elegant Orion in the east. Identify its bright stars Betelgeuse, Bellatrix, and Rigel. With the help of binocular or telescope, you can see Orion Nebula here. Just towards the south of Orion, this bright star, which is the brightest among all the stars in the night sky, is Sirius or Lubdaka, and this belongs to constellation Canis Major. The bright star here is Procyon of Canis Minor. These two stars are Castor and Pollux of Gemini. Capella of Auriga constellation can be seen towards northeast. Towards the north of Orion, this bright red star is Aldebaran or Rohini of Taurus constellation. Bright stars Rigel, Sirius, Procyon, Pollux, Capella and Aldebaran forms an hexagon called winter hexagon. In this southern sky, you can locate second brightest star Canopus, and this star here is Achernar of Eridanus constellation. Red planet Mars can be seen near zenith. Cassiopeia, Cephus, Andromeda constellations can be seen in northern sky. In the pre-dawn sky, easily identifiable pattern of stars called Big Dipper or Saptarishi Mandala can be seen in northern sky. Attractive constellation Scorpius can be seen in southeast. This is its red supergiant star Antares or J-star. Towards south, these two bright stars Alpha Centauri and Beta Centauri of Centaurus can be seen. This is Southern Cross. This bright star in the northeast is Vega of Lyra constellation. If the sky is clear and dark, we can also look for some beautiful objects in the sky which are listed in Messier catalog. Let us look at two of them this week. This is Butterfly Cluster or M6, an open cluster in Scorpio. Towards southeast of M6, another open cluster called M7 can be seen. Remember, you need binocular to have a splendid view of these objects.